In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will successfully capture any screen content you need. Begin by navigating to the screen you wish to capture on your Google Pixel 9a. Ensure that all relevant content is visible and avoid scrolling or moving the screen during the capture process. Keeping the phone steady in your hand will help you achieve a clear and accurate image. Once everything is set, prepare your fingers for the button combination to take the screenshot. Next, press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. It is important to hold these buttons briefly before releasing them quickly. You should notice the screen flashing, which indicates that the screenshot has been successfully captured. Additionally, you may hear a sound confirming the action. Ensure that both buttons are pressed correctly, as timing plays a crucial role in successfully taking the screenshot. After taking the screenshot, a preview will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this preview to access editing options, allowing you to crop, annotate, or share the image immediately. This feature makes it convenient to customize your screenshot right away. Keep in mind that the screenshot is also saved automatically in your gallery for future access. You can later find your screenshot in the gallery app where all captured images are stored. This allows you to revisit or share the screenshot at any time without the need to take another capture. The editing tools available will enable you to enhance the image further should you choose to do so. Completing this step signifies that your screenshot is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.